Now, I was thinking as to which adhyaya we should chant, whether sixth adhyaya or whether we should chant the fourth adhyaya. Then, if you see the number of sutras, the sixth adhyaya has got Tritiya Pada 190, 190, 160. 4 and 5 is better because we will otherwise forget 4 and 5 fully. And also we will go as per Paninian order. We will not change the order. Suddenly we will not apply our intelligence and say we'll do sixth adhyaya first and then go to fourth adhyaya. So I think we should, as per this one, we will go like that. So we will do Parayana of fourth adhyaya only. Practice of fourth adhyaya only in the coming classes. So the test will be for fourth adhyaya Prathama Pada. Now fourth adhyaya Prathama Pada has got 178 sutras, so it has to be Pada wise. Dvitiya Pada has got 140, okay, not much. Tritiya Pada has got 160, again it has to be Pada, all these two. So 140. So around 140, 160 sutras, we have to go Pada wise. That is what is the thinking. For the test, we have to go Pada wise. Whenever Bhagavan helps us to complete, if we are in a hurry, suddenly it will not happen. Ashtadhyayi and these things will not happen. And our Veda Pathashala students also, they have by hearted the fourth adhyaya, I think. So for them also it may help.
So Mahadev, what is the fourth pada?
Fourth adhyaya, yes sir.
So we can finish it in fourth chapter in 4 months. So that way the competition will be continuing every month one pada. Keep it.
Yes, yes.
People have to try within 30 days. So just like we did the Tritiya Pada, fourth pada, one month, right? He gave us a month to practice. So we already practiced this 1 month, and by 1st of July or maybe the first week of July, August, the first week of September, first week of November, like that. So that we will catch up with the speed wise.
Yes. So this is July 12th we are deciding. So August 16th, around that week, we will have the test. Right. The week of August 16th, Monday to Friday, within that week, we will have 1 day the test.
Another thing is, unless you give the timeline, our human mind is such that they always want to postpone it. So if you give them they have to finish it, then everybody rises up to the occasion and they will do it.
So 1 month for one pada, not more than that. Ideally, we should be less than a month, but we will keep 1 month for one pada. If the memorizers finish faster, we can take it 1 week before also. For the Parayana Kartas, anyhow, they will be ready by the time. I am sure they will be ready. It depends on the memorizers, because we want the memorizers to come along with us. There are some fast memorizers like Sumati Bhagini. If I tell she will do one pada, she is already ready with 2 padas already. So like that, there are fast memorizers also. For them, it will be a boring class. But revision will always happen. That my suggestion is, don't treat this as a, for people who have already learned, you don't treat this as a learning class. You just treat this as a revision class. That's it. So you are listening to the Parayana of others and correcting and recapping your by-hearted thing if you have already done it. That is my suggestion to people who have already done it. I am enjoying the class because for me it is a revision. Even though I have studied Vyakarana for the past 16 years, I am enjoying this class because people will say, what is this you are teaching? Ashtadhyayi, Kantasti Karanam, you don't you teach the meaning? Don't you want to teach the meaning? Don't you want to teach this? How do you enjoy that class? Is it boring? People ask me. I say that is the most interesting class because for me it is a revision. So that is how I answer them. So I don't have any problem in teaching this class. So actually this class is the foundation for all the Vyakarana Shastra that we are all learning together. So Sudha Shrikant wants to know. So fourth adhyaya is the test. Fourth adhyaya test in the
So fourth adhyaya, first pada test is in August.
August 15th, the week of August 15th. 1
Fourth
month we have.
adhyaya,
So we have about one. See, and fourth adhyaya, first is three pratyaya sutras, very easy sutras. And afterwards, and Tadita sutras are also very easy, especially the Tadita pratyas. So easily we can do it. So we will start today. If anybody is ready to chant fourth adhyaya prathama pada, even if you stand 220 sutras, it is enough. I think Janaki Bhagini had by hearted the three pratyaya sutras as she was practicing for her exam. Janaki Bhagini, can you start?
Give me that book. I'll show you.
I don't have it by heart, but I can read.
Read பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்தா நல்லா போகும்.
Okay. अथ पाणिनीय सूत्र पाठः चतुर्थोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः न्याप्रातिपदिकात् स्वौज समौच्छस्थाभ्याम्भ्यस्नेभ्याम्भ्यस्नसिभ्याम्भ्यस्नसोसाम्योऽसुप स्त्रियाम् अजाद्यष्टा ऋण्येभ्यो नीप् अजाद्यतष्टा ऋण्येभ्यो नीप् उगितश्च वनोरच पादो अन्यतरस्यां तावृचि न षट्स्वस्त्रादिभ्यः मनः अनो बहुव्रीहे तावुभाभ्याम् अन्यतरस्याम् अनुपसर्जनात् तिड्ढानन्यै सच धग्नन्नै मात्रच ठय ठक्ठै खै क्वरपः ययश्च प्राचांश
Bhagini here tiddhanai dvayasach dagnai matrach tayap thak thai kai kwarapah tiddhanai dvayasach dagnai matrach tayap thak thai kai kwarapah
तिड्ढानै द्वयसच दग्नै मात्रच टयप ठक खै क्वरपः ययश्च प्राचांशफ्थदितः सर्वत्र लोहितादि कतन्तेभ्यः कौरव्यमान्
सर्वत्र लोहितादि कतान्तेभ्यः
Tantebhya is there in this book.
Pustaka. Sarvasya lohitadika tantebhya. Tantebhya is correct. You are right. Agre.
कौरव्यमाण्डूकाभ्याञ्च वयसि प्रथमे द्विगोः अपरिमाणविस्ताचितकम्बलेभ्यो न तद्धितलुकी कम्बल्येभ्यो
अस्तु
न तद्धितलुकी काण्डान्तात् क्षेत्रे पुरुषात् प्रमाणे अन्यतरस्यां बहुव्रीहेरुधसो नीश बहुव्रीहेरुधसो नीश संख्याव्ययादेर्नीप् दामहायनान्ताच्च अन उपधालोपिनो अन्यतरस्यां नित्यं संज्ञाच्छन्दसोः केवलमामकभागधेय पापापर समानार्यकृतसुमङ्गलभेषजाच्च रात्रेश्च अजसौ अन्तर्वत्पतिवतोर्नुक् पत्युर्नो यज्ञसंयोगे विभाषासपूर्वस्य नित्यं सपत्न्यादिषु पूतकृतोर्रैश्च वृषाकप्यग्निकुसितकुसीदानम् उदात्तः मनोरौ वा वर्णात् अनुदातात्तोपधातो नः अन्यतो ङीष् शिद्गौरादिभ्यश्च जनपदकुण्डगोणस्थलभाजनागकालनीलकुशकां महोदय
जानपद
जानपदकुण्डगोणस्थलभाजनागकालनीलकुशकामुक कबराद वृत्यमत्रावपना कृत्रिमा श्राणास्थौल्यवर्णनाच्छादनयो विकार मैथुनेच्छा केशवेषु केशवेशेषु शोणात् प्राचां गोतो गुणवचनात् बह्वादिभ्यश्च नित्यं छन्दसि भुवश्च हुं योगादाख्यायाम् इन्द्रवणभवशर्वरुद्रमृडहिमारण्ययवयवनमातुलाचार्याणामानुक क्रीतात् करणपूर्वात् क्तात् अल्पाख्यायाम् धन्यवाद महोदय sorry not in practice
sorry sarvebhyah. So Pancharadam sir, there are few corrections that you can indicate our friend. So the first correction is in the 4th adhyaya. Now if you see here Vrishaka 37 4137. Pancharadam sir, are you hearing? Pancharadam sir, Vrishakapya kusita kusidana mudatta. It is kusidana mudatta is there. It is actually kusidana mudatta 37. That is the first mistake. And the next mistake which is there in this site is 18, sutra number 18. Sarvatra lohitadika tantebhyah. Lohitadika tantebhyah is there. I think it is katantebhyah. Let me see. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll continue the chanting tomorrow. 4th adhyaya, Pratama Pada is the target. Next target we are having. So we will all achieve that target. We'll pray to God that we'll achieve this target. Vienakshara samam nayamadigamya maheshwarat krishnam vyakaranam proktam tasmai paninaya namaha. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahishaah go brahmanebhyah shvamastu nityam loka samastha sukhino bhavantu.